Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and since my voice is finally starting to come back after being sick for about 2 weeks, I thought I'd go ahead and at least share some footage I already had recorded from January 2024 of these two products I got from Influenster. So I'll go ahead and just share this with you. It is 2 short reviews here of me trying these out. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. And what I will add is you'll see me trying out these products before we really get into the actual review. The review is pre-recorded, so when that comes in you will hear it, but until we get to that point we'll have some music. Okay, talk to y'all later.
Without you, I would be nothing. No air would flow through my lungs. Without you, I'd be forgotten. Nobody's singing my song. I'm safe as long as you're with me. At least you're here in my mind. Without you, I would be nothing.
First off, thanks to Influencer and Revlon for the complimentary Colorstay Flex Wear Full Cover Concealer / Corrector in the color Caramel for my honest review. I was not ready for the amount of coverage I got. This concealer covered my dark circles in one coat and appeared to self-set. It stayed on all day and did not break up in my creases. It felt moisturizing and stayed comfortable on my skin throughout the entire day. In my opinion, this is perfect for people with delicate, sensitive, or aging skin. I honestly think this is the best concealer I've ever used in the last 3 years, and I definitely will be purchasing it again when I'm done with this one. Seriously, I am so impressed. You'll see. Have you tried this Revlon concealer yet? Okay, so now for these brows. Okay, so first off, thanks to Influencer and Revlon for this complimentary Revlon Colorstay Brow Fantasy Pencil and Gel in the color medium brown. The first thing that caught my eye with this pencil is the small amount of product on the pencil side. It's like only about 3 inches, and it was like receiving a sample product instead of a full-size product. Also, the color of the pencil was not the shade I was expecting. I was purposely chose medium brown because the dark brown appeared to be way too dark according to the shades displayed. Unfortunately, the medium brown looked more like an off black, so I tried to fill my brows in with a light hand. Also, I normally powder down my brows before I apply eye pencil for a matte application. This time, I decided to try it by itself, and the eye pencil did not go on as smoothly as I hoped for, or as other pencils I've used in the past. So anyway, the gel side was okay. It gave my sparse curly eyebrows a light hold, and it also helped define my individual brown hairs so they showed up a bit more. Overall, it was just meh. I just don't think it's worth the money for the amount of product and okay performance. I will probably continue to use the brow gel side, but when it's all gone, I won't be purchasing this product on my own. So, in summary, I appreciate both products here. It gives me a chance to try some items here. If you like it or don't like it, I will go ahead and list these in my Amazon storefront in case you want to try them for yourself. Other than that, I'll talk to you later, Roses. Bye.